So hello guys, today we are gonna play a new game called 3D Drive Classics. So guys, today we are just gonna do some free roaming. So let me see which car should I take. Let me just take this SUV. Let's do free driving apartment. Actual driving and games are very different. Unlicensed driving is very dangerous. उतर गाड़ी से। अबे उतरना, पार्क मोड में भी लगा दिया। उतरेगा क्या क्या है चलो। चलो देखते ही गाड़ी खराब नहीं है सब, पर गाड़ी जरूर बहुत क्रैश होती है। ये उतरा रहेगा क्या गाड़ी से? नहीं उतरना चाहता। काम करते हैं, होम मेन्यू में जाके sorry not in Hindi. So guys, let's see which car should I take. I don't like that I love this Tesla Roadster. You might be thinking, why am I calling this? Because you see that. Yup, you can use this. Open doors. Open this. There are lots of car features in this game. You can make your Tesla make it like a Sonic or something. So now let's set this immediately to default setting. So now let's play driving in playground. So loading, it's saying loading. Please load quickly. Let's get out of
There is a speed bump on the front.
I know there is. So guys, let me just show you this Tesla.
There is a speed bump on the front.
At the side we can see this red thingy. So at this side we see the doors. In front is the Tesla and this is just scooter. Let's see the number. It's 52D3108. Number plate is Gadi. For this car. Save goes on the other side. So now let's sit in this car.
There is a speed bump on the front.
Let's see first, can this car survive the junkie? This car crusher is junkyard. Oh, hey, this car is so fast. I forgot this car was really fast. What is happening? Guys, the car deformed from the first side. It looks so funny, guys. So now I will show you when this completely works. Or I guess just watch it. So guys, I will just not actually just watch. Yup. The car is just completely stuck. It just cannot get repaired. So guys, as you can see, the vehicle is too really damaged. Right now, this is a disaster. And this car's top speed is and yup. Black smoke. This car can climb. Sorry, what is this happening? Now let's wait. Get onto the platform. I'm removing it. It just makes it be like a supercar. This Tesla is broken once you put on this foil. It just becomes more. And this is how much I'll drive this car. This is the sound which you should not hear. Now as you can see guys, it's repaired. Cute as day one. Now let me show you. The OMG. This car goes so fast. Once you just remove it, this is how fast it decreases as you see guys. And once I press this, the car just starts going like a sonic speed. This car is going so fast that the automatic camera cannot shoot this. This camera is yup, this car is so fast that this camera will not shoot this. So I think that this is armrest or what? That kind of yup. This is the fastest top speed you can almost get in this game. Yup, this will reach 500 I guess guys. Let's see, will it reach? OMG! This has reached in 510 plus kilometers per hour. OMG. Guys, let's just restart. My sounds are getting bugged. So let's just restart this. Quick load.
There is a speed bump on the front.
Where
There
is
is a
it?
speed bump on the front.
Where is it? Let's see where is even it. Huh? Where is a speed bump? The speed bump does not exist. The game is fooling me. This is how fast properly the Tesla can go without its spoiler. Divided on this. Ready to run this? The car just wants to go astray. Yep, the car wants to The car is so fast that it won't even move backwards. Yep, the car is kind of just broke. This is the most broken vehicle in the entire game. This is the most broken game. Sorry, not the game, but the car in this game. Yep, I don't know why does it static. So guys, let's play some minutes. Sorry, not some minutes. Like just play with the Lamborghini Sian for some time. But I think I should just use my bike. Let's see how bikes go. Wait, no, I don't want to. Let's use our motorcycle. I also one motorcycle you cannot do posters for that because it's 50,000 on this seconds. So let me show you how is this different from the other cars. Minutes kind of go really fast. And this game becomes more after the bike simulator than a car. Yes, for some reason this is very difficult to Guys, this is how I vote. But this is the best way to make a WhatsApp status. Wow! Best way to make WhatsApp status. I think so. So guys, we will just keep this much for this video. So if you enjoy this video, so please hit that or smash that stupid like button. Guys, I'll bring a new dude that was to you guys also. So wait for that. Bye bye.